Hey everyone, it's Andy here from Pursue Life, and welcome again to another edition of One Thing, where we look at one problem and give one solution. Okay, so over the years, I cannot tell you how many conferences I've been to, workshops I've been to, study I've done. I mean, I've just collected so much information. And I don't know if you can relate to this, but the problem I often have with information is it often doesn't stick, right? And so I can do all this work, incredible amount of work, and it just seems to go in one ear and out the other, right? It's really, really frustrating. And I want to offer today something very simple, but I think effective that I've found in my own life, and having worked with many people over the years in various roles, leadership roles, social work roles. This is something that I teach people. Extremely simple, but extremely effective. So what do you do with all this knowledge that you get? Here's the solution when you just kind of, it goes in one ear out the other. Make sure you apply it, okay? It sounds simple, right? And it sounds stupid, but the truth is very often we get concepts and all sorts of information coming our way, and we don't do anything with it. And what I've learned over the years is that, if I go to a workshop, for example, and they teach me 100 things, 100 really good things, what I've discovered for me is if I want to move forward with it and actually make some progress with what people are teaching me, I try to apply one thing. I get all the information and I go, that was good, that was good, that was good, but this one thing right here, that's the thing that really shook me. It's the thing that that really inspired me or encouraged me, or and so I always ask myself, what can I do? How can I apply this right now? And I've discovered, like I said in life, if I do that, and the people I work with, if they do that, it really helps you take what's up here to in here, and then to apply it out here in real life. So make sure that you're applying. Application is everything. Okay guys, we'll see you next week for the One Thing.